Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the fuel filter on a Honda Odyssey, specifically pre-models. If you've noticed rough starts, poor fuel economy, or engine hesitation, a clogged fuel filter could be the culprit. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to replace it safely and efficiently. Gather your tools and prep. Before we start, make sure you have a new OEM or compatible fuel filter, a wrench or socket set, screwdrivers, gloves, and safety goggles. A fuel line disconnect tool helps, but it's optional. You may also need a jack and stands for extra clearance, plus a small container and some clean rags to catch any fuel drips. Locate and relieve fuel pressure. The fuel filter sits on the driver's side firewall behind the brake booster, so no tank removal is needed. First, relieve fuel system pressure. Pull the fuel pump fuse, start the engine until it stalls, then turn it off and disconnect the negative battery cable. This prevents fuel spray and keeps things safe. Remove the old filter. Place a rag and container under the filter to catch fuel. Then detach the fuel lines, use your disconnect tool or line wrenches, and unbolt the filter bracket. Carefully remove the old filter. Install the new filter. Install your new filter with the flow arrow pointing toward the engine, reconnect the lines, and secure the bracket. Double check that everything is tight and properly seated. Reconnect and prime the system. Reinstall the fuel pump fuse and reconnect the battery. And to prime the fuel system, turn the key to on for a few seconds, then off, and repeat a couple of times before starting the engine. Finally, check for leaks to ensure everything is safe. And that's it. Changing your Honda Odyssey's fuel filter is simple when you follow these steps. It can restore engine performance and improve fuel efficiency. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.